Hey everyone, today we're cracking the code to financial freedom. Forget chasing get-rich-quick schemes, we're diving into the magic of compounding, the secret weapon of Warren Buffett, and basically every financial guru ever. So what is compounding? Imagine a money tree. You plant a seed, your initial investment, and it slowly grows leaves, interest. But here's the cool part, those leaves keep growing more leaves. That's compounding. Your interest earns interest, making your money snowball over time. The 8-4-3 rule, the money tree on fast forward. Now let's get specific. The 8-4-3 rule is a simplified way to understand this snowball effect. Here's the gist. Invest consistently. Think monthly deposits. Aim for a healthy return, ideally over a long period. With these two ingredients, your money growth might follow this pattern. Years 1 through 8, steady but solid growth like your sprout reaching for the sun. Years 8 through 12, boom, growth accelerates. Your tree is bursting with leaves. Years 12 through 15, cha-ching. Your money practically doubles faster than ever before. Remember, this is a simplified example. Actual returns will vary, but the key takeaway is the power of time and consistency. The earlier you start, the bigger your money tree can grow. But how do I actually do this? Great question. Compounding works best with investments like mutual funds or retirement accounts. These let you invest regularly and potentially earn higher returns than a savings account. Do your research and consult a financial advisor for personalized advice. Become your own money tree master. The 8-4-3 rule is just the beginning. By understanding compounding, you're taking control of your financial future. Remember, start early. Even small amounts can grow big over time. Invest consistently. Rain or shine, keep feeding your money tree. Be patient. Great things take time, and compound interest. I want to thank you all for subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and information only. But with the power of compounding on your side, you can unlock a future blooming with financial success. See you next time.